So hello students, this is class 4A, class 4A, and subject GSC and date is 17/4/2021. We are studying lesson first, adaptation in plants. Lesson first, adaptation in plants. Adaptation in plants. Last time we have discussed about adaptation. What is adaptation? Importance of the adaptation. I told you organisms have adaptive feature by which they can survive or live in a particular area, particular climatic conditions. So we studied according to the habitat, plants can be divided into two main groups, discussed before, terrestrial plants and aquatic plants. The terrestrial plant, as you know about terrestrial plants which are found on the land are called as the terrestrial plants. Since there are the variations on the land, as mountains, deserts, plains, coast and marshes, so plants are also varied. Some parts of land receive very heavy rain, some medium and some very little. Very cold areas receive snowfalls too. In all these areas we find different kinds of plants that adapt to the natural conditions of the areas in which they live to be able to survive. Plants on hills and mountains are colder than plains. Hills and mountains are colder than plains. Here the soil is strong and hard. These trees on hilly areas are adapted to survive the cold and snowfalls. They are usually tall, straight and conical, so that snow can easily slide off their branches, and they do not shed their leaves and are called evergreen trees. Deodar, pine and fir are some plants that grow on mountains. They are usually flowerless. This is important feature. They are usually flowerless and have cones with seeds that carry out the process of reproduction. You have seen some plants in the hilly areas. If you went in the hilly areas, you observe that plants are the conical in shapes. Mango, banana plants are mango, and the banyan like plants are not found in that area. Snowfalls are there. So, and the shape is in such a way the ice and the water slides from the leaves. Mainly plants are the pines, deodar are the important plants of hilly areas or hilly regions. So plants in desert. You are familiar to the desert, you listen the name of desert, you listen the name of Sahara. And in India, that having in the Rajasthan region, very less rain is there, negligible rain is there, high temperature, daytime, high temperature, at night, a very low temperature. There are much more variation in temperature, and very less rain is there. And plants, which are plants may be there? Plants like opensia, cactus, etc. etc. Such plants are found in that area. So, in desert, the temperature is extremely hot and dry in summer and very cold in winter. In desert, the temperature is extremely hot and dry in summer and very cold in winter. There is hardly any rainfall, leading to a scarcity of water. The sand is loose soil where water cannot stay. Moreover, there is no plant food present in sand. Plant food means that humus, decaying plant and animal materials in this soil. This is called as the food of the plant. So, there is no plant food present in sand. All these factors together are responsible for very little vegetation in deserts. Plants that grow in deserts are adapted to save water. Date palms, cactus and kikar usually grow in deserts. These plants live on very little water and store what they get. Their roots go deep and are spread out wide to absorb as much underground water as possible. Their leaves are reduced to spine to avoid loss of water. The green fleshy stem carry out photosynthesis to store food. You have seen, you have observed some plants just like the cactus plant. Stem become fleshy and green, that perform the process of photosynthesis, while leaves are converted into the spines. Leaves are converted into the spines. So next, plants in plains. Next one is, first we have studied plants in desert. Plants in desert, and next one, plants in plains. Plants in plains. Calculator. Desert and plains. You know plains, this area is called the plain. This area is called the plain. So plants have moderate climate, which is neither too hot as in desert, nor too cold as in it is moderate. Here, loamy soil is found which is very fertile and suitable for plants. Thus, a large variety of trees are found in the plains. Trees of the plains have numerous branches and leaves which they shed periodically. They are called deciduous plants. You are familiar with plants here. They shed their leaf periodically. They shed their leaf and they receives new leaves. They shed the old leaf and new leaves develops on their places. So this is a very important feature of the plants found in this area. They are called deciduous plants. Teak, gulmohar, sesam, eucalyptus, neem, peepal, and sal are the common trees growing in the plains. So that's for today. Next day we will discuss about the plants on the sea coast, plants in marsh areas, and about the aquatic plants. Thank you very much.